Okay, so let's do, this should be changed to the right join. Suppose we start with primary of DS2 and secondary is DS1. Alright, so we start from here and we're going to blend with that data set. Okay, so we start with pattern ID 1. Okay, branch is A1. Let me include one more column. So amount is 100. So that's our first record. Okay, so then you join here. When you come here, you have user ID is 1. So this is now blended with these two records. Okay. Now, since the secondary data source records will be aggregated before blending, so type has two different values. So type will come in as what? As an asterisk, because it is not unique value there, right? Okay, so now we have blended the first record. The next one is 1. I'm sorry. So we start from here. This is our primary. So we start with 1, C1, and 300, right? And now you're going to blend that record with these two again. So 1 and stop. Okay. Next one is 2, B1 and 200, and you'll blend with this record. So it will be 2 and J. Okay. And finally 3, D1 and 400, and that would be what? User ID and asterisk is when they are all values but not unique. Okay, so this will be null. There is no record at all in the secondary that matches with 3 pattern ID. So there is no record at all. So it will be null. Remember, asterisk is only when you do find records, okay, but the field has, different values, more than one value. It is not unique. So then at that point, you cannot combine all of those, the non-numeric field. If it is numeric field, you just add it all up. Okay. If it is non-numeric, you cannot add anything. And so when you have different values, it doesn't know what to do, so it just puts an asterisk there. Now these are properties of blending, and there are people they leverage these properties into achieving anything that particularly they want in a given situation. So you have to understand how blending works, so that you will have sometimes you blend records and you put it into visualization and it looks crazy. It doesn't make any sense at all, and that's probably because there is some aggregation going on. If you understand what's actually happening behind the curtains, then you will be able to understand what's going on.